Hello class, today you will be working on editing our personal class website so that you can add all of your ping pong projects to it. Also though, you will be using this time to grade and edit your ping pong projects so that you know that you have a professional project to upload online before you share it with everyone. So if you look at your directions, first you're going to use the Google form that's attached to this document, and it's really just so that you can grade your paper. It looks when you see it, it should look a lot like this. It's got your rubric on there. It should be fast and easy for you to grade, really easy for you to look at and analyze. As soon as you've taken the whole thing, please make sure that you submit your form with any comments or questions that you may have. This is also a chance you have to communicate with me any concerns you may have had. Once you have independently filled out that rubric, you and your group can discuss anything that might have been missing from your project, as some groups were missing some components. At that point, you can make any edits that are needed to be finished. For 7th grade, those need to be finished by 10 a.m. Other classes, you need to finish with 25 minutes still remaining in your class, so you have time to get everything done. Once your edits are finished, you're going to be uploading your project to your website. And it's actually really easy to do. So I'm going to show you how to go about doing that. If you use the link that's attached to here for this 2020 STEM page, it should actually take you to our editable page. It should give you the rights to edit on your site. And so when you get to that site, it should look like this. And so right now we have our home, we have STEM Packed, we have pictures, and we have projects. I want you guys on the projects page. When you're on the projects page, there are two ways that you can go about attaching your document, and I'm going to show you both of those. First and foremost, I want you to make sure that when you have a document, you want to make sure that you get your shareable link ready to go in a way that actually allows it to be shared with everyone. So you do that by clicking the share button up here, and then right now it says that anyone at Holy Cross Lutheran School with the link can edit. We want to revise that. So I'm going to click on there and I'm going to say more, because I want anyone with the link to be able to view my document. So now that I have that, that is perfect. That's exactly what I want my link to do. So I'm going to click on that link and I'm going to say Control C or Command C. Control C if you have a Chromebook, Command C if you have a Mac, or you can just press copy link. Either is fine. Once you have that done, you'll go back to this website. And if you look over here, it has insert pages, themes. You're going to be inserting something to below here. So I'm going to embed my project. If I say Command V or Control V, that pastes it and I can see my document. So now I can put my presentation right in there, which is really cool. It will allow people to go through the slides once it's published, which is great. I can make my slides bigger or smaller so that it's easier to read for everyone, and I can change certain settings about it. So as soon as I have it uploaded in there and feel good, the last step is to click Publish. And then once that is published onto my site, I know that it's been good. I can even view the live site to make sure that it truly is there. And so now that you can see the live site, you can see that yes, I can play through my project. And so everybody can see the great work that I have done. So what's great about that is as soon as you've got it uploaded, hopefully your friends will all have it uploaded within a couple minutes as well. So once they have theirs uploaded, I want you to view everyone's projects, and I want you to think about our problems and what makes the best solution. I want you to think how hard it was to move those ping pong tables yesterday and what will be best about that. And then when all is said and done, I'm going to have you vote for the best project. That too is attached to the assignment. So the last step is simply to choose what you believe is the best project to represent your class. This group will present to Mrs. Geiger, Mrs. DeVoe, Mrs. Dant, and Mr. Short on Tuesday of next week. So vote for the group that you believe will be best and let me know that when you turn in this assignment. This assignment should be turned in before you leave class today. I hope that helps.